In this video, I will be showing you how to earn from Canva by design with Canva. Let's get started. I begin with a deep green canvas. I bring in a wavy, decorative white frame that features a subtle shadow to give the design some dimension. To create a more sophisticated look, I duplicate this frame multiple times, resizing each layer and stacking them to build a beautiful tiered paper cut effect. Once the background layers are perfectly centered, I add a text box and search for a classic serif font to type the initials for the invitation. I'll place an S and a D right in the middle of the frame. Next, I head over to the Elements tab and search for a flower bouquet outline. I'm looking for a minimalist graphic that fits the theme. After selecting the right illustration, I scale it down and position it elegantly between the initials. Now it's time for the invitation text. I type out the opening phrase and switch to a delicate script font to add a touch of luxury. For the couple's names, I choose a clean, uppercase font and increase the letter spacing to give it a more modern, high-end feel. I continue by adding the ceremony details, including the date and time. I'm using a mix of the serif and script fonts to keep the hierarchy clear and visually appealing. Finally, I add the location and the RSVP details at the bottom of the layout. I'll finish up by grouping the elements and making small adjustments to the alignment to ensure everything is perfectly balanced within the frame. And that is how you create a high-quality wedding invitation template that stands out and ready to sell.